Hey, welcome to Cody the Car Guy. So we've got an 05 Chevy Cobalt here with the 2.2, and we're going to be changing out the fuel filter. Your fuel filter location is on the passenger side at the rear of the car, underneath the car. Yeah, and they've got it tucked up in here pretty good. So jack up the car. Now I am removing the tank. We have to replace the fuel pump. That's a separate video, but I literally just moved all this stuff out of the way only because I am changing out the fuel pump. Pull your fuel pump fuse, run it till it shuts off. That way it relieves pressure. Now if you notice, on this side right here, you need an actual fitting tool so you can actually remove it. And this side right here, all you're going to do is just literally clip one on these. You have two spots. I'll show you. Got this one off. Literally on the side right here where the blue is. All you're going to do is just squeeze it. It opens it up. Then we got this one right here. Squeeze on these two and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There you go. As you see, I already have the fuel out of it. Go ahead and at this point, to make it easier, just go ahead and unbolt this 10mm right here, and then we'll go ahead and put the fitting tool in there so we can get this free. So let me get that done real quick. Now pretty much I just use a long 10mm extension. Go ahead and unbolt this bad boy real quick. Once you get it free, then we'll use the tool to remove it from the line. Alright. Now you're going to need a tool something like this. Now there's also a plastic version of this that just kind of pushes in there. But this one right here is what I use. I literally just open it up. It goes right around the metal line. Alright. You'll actually see it'll start to go into the fuel filter a little bit. Just push it in there, and then what you want to do is come on the other side. Just start wiggling it out. There you go. And that's what it is. You're trying to push in deep enough to unclip that around this right here. Once you get that out of the way, that's your fuel filter removed off your Chevy Cobalt. Alright, now when you get the replacement filter, it is a little bit different. It has the little plastic piece in there to lock it in. Got a little internal O-ring in there as well. Just remember, this side right here, you have one that's bigger, and then you have one that is smaller. So the bigger one is going to go over here on this blue side. You can actually look inside them and see the blue one is bigger than the green one, or teal, but otherwise you just have to make sure that, because you can't really put them on otherwise. Now on this one right here, it does not come with the little clamp, so you're going to take the old clamp off the other one, which right here, all you're going to do is just slide this bad boy off right here. Alright, we're going to use that on the new one. When I checked out that filter, it actually definitely has some dirt in there, so all you're going to do is put it back in just like that, and you can actually pretty much slide this right into place and click it in. We'll slide up in there until it clicks. There you go, that little click right there. Now you want to go ahead and put this back into place where it was. It's got the little teeny right here. You have to make sure that actually clips into place where it's supposed to go, the little tab. So once you get the tab into place, all you're going to do is literally put the 10mm back in there and tighten it up. Snug it down pretty good. All you're going to do is pull the little caps off right here. Alright, the teal one goes onto the small one. Just pretty much slide in until you hear it clip. Just like that. Alright, let's put the blue one on. Slide right in place. We'll hear it clip as well. And this one's being stubborn. Alright, there we go. And they should look the same. Alright, it's locked in. Anyways, that is your Napa part number right there. Alright, and as you can see, that has changed out your fuel filter on your Chevy Cobalt. It's pretty simple and easy to do. Pretty much just need 10mm. You do need the tool to remove it out of the clamps on this side right here, which is just a line removal tool. Pretty simple and easy. Otherwise, the lines on the other side, you just squeeze and slide off. So that is changing out your fuel filters on your Chevy Cobalts. This one has the 2.2 engine in it, and I hope that helps you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.